If you want to make money online, you're in the right place. So stay tuned, and by the end of this month, or probably even week, you will be rich. Okay. Before I start the video, I'm gonna explain some concepts. Something before I start. Yeah, there's steps and methods into being rich. I'm gonna say the steps first, and then I'm gonna say the method. Step one: you should have grit and perseverance, and never give up. If you give up, you know you're not gonna make it the first try. If you're lucky, you will make it the first try. But if you miss the first try, don't give up. Keep on trying. Keep on persevering. Step two: invest in your business. Invest. If you have a business, invest in it so you have more chances of succeeding. Step three: don't get scammed. Yep, don't get scammed. Okay, let's go into the method. Let me stop joking around. Method one: you can complete paid online surveys. You can answer surveys, receive a bounty per survey, typically about 50 cents or $1 per survey. These surveys, you basically put in your demographics or what you like, your interests on what you like to purchase. It goes directly or sold to major companies that are looking for like ideas. You know what I'm saying? Those companies are willing to pay for that information. The website or the brokers for giving information to them. I'm gonna say something. I don't recommend this because but if you're really that desperate, you can't do it because it really takes a long time, and yeah, I don't really think it's worth the money. Yeah, I wanted to include this in the video for informational purposes. Two is the second category is like online gig based work. This is really a great option for making money online in the coronavirus pandemic. Curious about what these are, you can go to a website called Fiverr.com, link in the description, or Upwork.com. As you're browsing to their website, you can see the different services that people offer in gigs. Yeah, so you can make great money off of that, but not like a lot, but you still make money. You can even use those ideas to brainstorm any ideas for yourself. Yeah, I am a seller and a buyer of these services, so I have some tips to give you. Tip one: you should build a strong portfolio. As going through your account, you don't want a boring portfolio, it will just skip you. You want a good one, entertaining one, so you can grab the reader's attention, the buyer's attention technically. Let's go to method three. Third category that you can make money online is remote jobs. Yeah, you heard that right, remote jobs. This is really good because of the coronavirus pandemic, so you're not really close to anybody. Online gigs and remote jobs are really similar, but remote jobs has a stable income, while online gigs is not really that stable. You know what I mean? Job is a very excellent job because of the coronavirus pandemic, you can work from home and you don't get in contact with others, and it has a very stable income, like I said before. The fourth category for making money online is an online business. Yeah, I said before, invest in your business. With online business, you can invest in it. You can make really good money. It's like really stable income. You can do like selling, I don't know, flyers, stuff like that. Wait, I'm a come up with ideas. Let me brainstorm. But you have to have grit and perseverance because most are difficult to start, but the most are rewarding. So don't give up. Just keep on going. You're gonna get what you need. Good ideas or good options for online business is like print on demand, affiliate marketing. You could create online courses, digital download products. You become a software engineer. You could develop apps, all of that. Okay, last but not least, the last method is become a YouTuber, just like me. You can do vlogs, videos, any video of your type, gaming videos, swimming videos, stuff like a sport videos. You can do videos that you like because you may like something, people may be also be interested in that too. So yeah, YouTube is a good way to make income and has a stable income, but you gotta have perseverance. Made all this money from YouTube, so like and subscribe and put post notification on so I can get more money. Peace.